Welcome back guys. So everyone looks confused where the market is heading. There are some interesting patterns that are starting to form. Let's start with the daily chart. So 12,800 we saw a rejection from this point, price not able to go past this as the RSI went very high around 74. Previously also we saw rejection from this point, so yes, this is one of the short-term resistance we have. However, if I zoom in, look at this red line which is the 200 moving average on the daily sitting at 12554. So actually today price is trying to test the 200 moving average. RSI is still quite high at 62, so yes, further scope towards the downside is quite possible. Like I mentioned last time, there will be a retest of lower levels, so market is heading towards that. Next interesting area can be 12,200 where the purple 100 moving average is also sitting. Not only this, look at this rejection from this point, look at all this action available at 12,200. Not only this, if I zoom in, you can see there was a gap over here which the market is trying to close, hence we are seeing downward action. This candle here is sitting at 12,364 roughly. Not only this, if I quickly drop the fib levels, there is an interesting action that is happening. Look at this level, look at this very important level of 0.618 sitting at 12480. This is known as the gold zone. So price pumped through this and now trying to test the gold zone, so this is one of the positives that can help push the market back up from here. So a very important retest is underway. If it fails over here, the next stop is around 12,100, which is the 0.5 level over here, and we have seen that the 100 moving average is also sitting over here. So yes, overall market is under pressure. However, there is an important pattern that has started to form now. We saw all of this pump over here and now we are trying to form this bull flag pattern. We got rejected today from the top part of this channel. Price trying to target the lower levels 12350, 12375. So yes, a bull flag is started to form. Price will try to capitulate in this area. Probably once we reach the 12,200 mark or the 100 moving average, then price will try to bounce from here, and this will coincide with the bottom part of this channel also. So this is a very important pattern that I am keeping my eye on. So yes, if we see continuation of this pattern, by that time RSI will come down to reasonable levels from where it will help push the price back up. Not only this, if I try to draw up a trend line from the recent action, so we can see a very strong uptrend, but look at this retest. If it happens again sitting around this area 12,375, so a lot of factors telling us that yes, lower levels will get tested, but this is for the better, this is for a future pump. So as long as we stay in this price range, this is actually good for the market. The real problem will start if we break outside of this channel and break below 12,000, maybe come back up to retest and then start to reject from here. That is the thing that will be dangerous for the market. So yes, in all conditions need to hold above 12,000. Also, please let us know what you think is going to happen. A retest of low level is coming up, or we are going to pump from the 200 moving average back towards 12,800, 900 level. Also, if you like this analysis, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Let's quickly look at the fear and greed index. So we are seeing a little bit of a correction. This was 80 points before. Today we are 75, just at the border of this extreme greed section, trying to go back into the greed section. So yes, market is taking profit, market is under a little bit of pressure. Now let's move over to the 4-hour chart. So straight away we can see the 200 moving average is sitting at 12,148, which is also the bottom part of this channel. Once again supporting the theory that we just presented, that yes, some sort of this action is possible where we try to complete a bull flag and then try to test the bottom part of this channel over here. By that time the 200 moving average would have pulled up also, so that would be a nice retest on the 4-hour chart and price might try to bounce from here. So 12,250, 12,300 is what this is coming out to. And one of the major positives is this long-term channel that we had since 2021 is finally broken. We are sure of that now, that this downward trend has been broken, because you can see multiple candles have closed above this level. Also, if you would like us to analyze some other assets, please feel free to drop a comment below. And as always, market is extremely volatile. If you're planning to actively trade, please consider using proper risk management. Thank you for watching.